Satan uses food to kill more people than any other weapon, and most people dig their own graves with a knife and a fork. So you need to protect your health, or you're gonna lose it. But how do you go about protecting your health and the health of your family? Yes, there is a chemist in your kitchen, and you cannot trust him. The evil food companies are not serving you real food, but addictive and deadly chemistry. They are adding to our food sugars and salts and colors and antibiotics and stuff that you and I can't even pronounce. These evil food companies have figured out the exact recipe that will make their foods so addicting to your brain that you can't get away from them anymore. And then Satan has you in his ugly grip. The very first step to get away from that stuff and start stepping toward health is awareness. Being aware that your fight is not physical, but it is a spiritual fight. The devil is trying to destroy your mind and your body, and he's sneaking in the back door with tasty but deadly foods. But awareness will become your foundation on which you can build your plant-based vegan journey, and a foundation on which you can stand and take control of your health. And if you need a tour guide on your vegan journey, I would love to help you out. Go to my website and sign up for a one-to-one chat with me, and let's talk. It's free. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain.